Welcome to WebStarPress. Did you know that Google is no longer ranking AI generated content? AI generated content is easily detected. It's about time we have an AI generated code detector because it is being reported that many large software firms that employ subcontractors will soon add contract clauses specifying how much AI generated code can be used in a given program. As a result, medium sized subcontracting firms and engineering managers should be aware of these changes before submitting their product to the clients. Writing code with AI is appealing and makes a developer's life easier in short term. However, AI generated code can cost you time, money, and trust. That is why use AI to accelerate your development cycles, but verify for safety. So here's how AI Detector Pro Code can pinpoint AI in source code files. This is AI Detector Pro Code dashboard. On the left, we have reports and projects. On the right side, we have New AI Scan. To scan AI in source code, click New AI Scan. Select the language. Let's select Java. AI Detector Pro Code can detect AI in Java, C#, Python, JavaScript, and PHP. It will detect AI code and pinpoint it, but it does not rewrite and fix mistakes in AI generated code. That you'll have to do yourself because bugs and fixes should be handled by human, not AI. I have generated this Java code using ChatGPT. Let's copy this and paste in here. Then click Analyze to analyze the code. Mostly AI. We see that AI Detector Pro Code has found 98% AI code. It means that it knows this code was generated by AI. But we need to see exact code that was generated by AI so that we can closely check it for bugs and errors. For detail, click Result. This content was mostly written by AI. Here we see what AI Detector Pro Code has found. Code highlighted in the red color is 100% generated by AI. Code in orange color is close to the code generated by AI, but still very likely. Code in gray or black color is not likely to be generated by AI. By using this information, we can pinpoint where AI was used in our source code. Now let's analyze code written by a coder, a human programmer. Let's go to Dashboard, click New AI Scan. This is also Java code written by a human programmer. Copy, select Java, paste the code, click Analyze. And look at that. Click Detail. This content looks to contain at least some AI. %25% AI. Let's go back to Dashboard. We can go to Reports. From here, we can export the reports. And a CSV file will be exported. So data can be exported for, let's say, QA or personal record. Let's run one more test. New AI Scan. And this is ChatGPT. Write a tic-tac-toe game in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, player or user versus computer. And here is all the code. Let's copy it. JavaScript. Here's the code, analyze. And you see 98% AI. Now, why this information is helpful and needed? An award-winning study at the Tandon School of Engineering at NYU has shown that GitHub's Copilot has already shown the risks of AI code. Study shows that AI code can be outdated, includes errors, causing memory malfunctions, and sometimes it talks to databases that no longer exists. By identifying AI code, you will be able to find code with mistakes more quickly. By looking at the AI parts of the code, you can quickly fix possible issues because this is where you will get most of the bugs. If you use AI Detector Pro Code, you will be able to fix AI mistakes before pushing the code. Then fewer revisions will be requested, and in result, you will save your time, money, and reputation. Here are the plans they offer. 2 AI scans are free every month, so you can create a free account and test this service. For small software consulting businesses, they offer a plan called Consultant. recommended for individuals and businesses with less than 4 people. This plan offers unlimited AI scans, AI detection, and data export. For small businesses, they offer small business plan for up to 50 people. Unlimited AI scans are offered with data export functionality. This plan is for medium-sized businesses who, instead of hiring a huge team of developers, hire engineering managers who oversee large team of independent developers. These teams can use AI coding assistants as much as they like, but this product will help them with accountability and fix issues during the quality assurance cycle. So give this product a go. Link is in the description. Because whether you like it or not, AI code audits are coming. Better prepared before it happens. Okay, see you in the next one.